this tutorial, I will cover an example of how to use iDocs Redact's web app to leverage AI and automatically sanitize documents of private or identifying information. This will be a comprehensive guide to leveraging many of the features present in this redaction tool. To start, we'll go ahead and navigate to the iDocs website and log in. After selecting Redact, you'll be prompted to upload a single document. This single document will act as a template for now to help build a profile that you can apply later to bulk uploads and for larger volumes of document redaction. For now though, we'll go ahead and upload just one document, and it will be chosen from either your local computer or from any of these cloud storage services. Our sample document is a PDF file, and it's a mock medical report. iDocs does support additional file types, 40+, including images, Word, PowerPoint, etc. You also need to choose a region. This helps the AI in choosing specific information, such as formatting for bank account numbers, or for nation-specific identifying information, such as Social Security. After the initial scan, the document will be categorized for you, and you'll be presented with an option to either customize a profile or choose a preset. This profile is just a list of entity types that you would like the AI to try and look for. If you have a specific set of information in mind for redaction, you can choose it here from this list. So for example, you can select addresses, ages, and person name, and then you'll be good to go. If, however, you're not sure about which items you'd like to have redacted, or if you're primarily concerned with complying with privacy policy, I would recommend choosing the preset. The preset is selected based off of the type of document that's been uploaded. So we'll have different presets for healthcare documents, or legal or financial documents, and most of these are chosen in accordance to their corresponding privacy policy. Once this scan is complete, you can see all the discovered information on the column to the right by hitting View All. From here, the simplest way to start redacting is to check this box here, select All. Before hitting Mark for a redaction though, it may be a good idea to check this list near the bottom, labeled Needed Review. These items are identified by the AI model but have a lower confidence score. If any of the checked items look like they may be incorrect, all you have to do is uncheck them. You can also uncheck items directly from the document by clicking on them and hitting the trash bin. We'll go ahead and hit Mark for Redact. And all the highlighted items are turned gray, meaning that when they are exported, those words or entities will be redacted. There are times where the AI may have missed items that need to be redacted as well. In these cases, a set of manual redaction tools are available as well. The first one are keywords. You can access it here at the top and type in or cut and paste any words you'd like to have redacted. So I'll go ahead and type in record. And then it'll show up here in this list on the right as well. You can also draw boxes around areas you'd like to have redacted, as well as highlight words directly on the page using this tool. All of these manual edits will be shown here on the right as well. I'll go ahead and highlight all of these and mark for redaction as well. Manual redactions can be a one-time redaction for the document being processed. However, it can also be added to the profile. iDocs' redaction profile system allows these changes to be registered permanently, not only to the current document, but for all documents uploaded in the future as well. You can see the state of the profile here under Edit, and you can also make changes to the profile, either the automatic detection of elements or the manual edits that you added later on. In addition to adding a list of items to be redacted, you can also do the opposite and set up a whitelist of words you would like the AI to ignore. For example, if there's a specific name you'd like to have ignored, I would go to Personal here person name, and then type in whatever name you'd like to have ignored. As more redactions and manual edits are made, the profile can grow in specificity, allowing for more accurate and continued increase in tailoring the redactions to suit each use case. There are also some additional global options that can be accessed using the cog here. This includes an overlay that helps label redactions, different colors, as well as partial redaction of numbers. There's also an auto redact setting that I'll touch on later on. Once the document is done, you'll have a few options. The first is to export the redacted document, but there's also additional options for sharing. Alternatively, you can send your redactions to a reviewer or to collaborate with others. If you select collaborate, here you can choose whether you'd like the other users to view only or edit the documents as well. And once you input their email, they'll be sent a message which they can click on and access this document. We'll go ahead and finish up with the redaction here and export to see the finished product. Upon export, you can choose between a PDF or a Word document. You can also attach a certificate which just gives some information on when and who redacted this document. Here's the redacted document with all data properly sanitized. The underlying information is completely gone, not just covered up by a black box. Now, redacting one document is all well and good, but most of the redaction work entails tons, hundreds, maybe even thousands of files. So thankfully, iDox.ai will help you speed up that process significantly as well with batch uploading. To access that, you will have to go to the project page, which can be accessed by going back. Once the profile is set up from this initial upload, you can take a look at the project view. The project is the combination of your redaction profile along with all the documents you want to apply this profile to. So since you've only uploaded that template document, there's only one document so far. From here though, you can bulk upload by selecting multiple files and opening them at once. You also have an option to redact the documents automatically, which skips the review process of marking items from the list for redaction, which can further automate the process once the profile has been customized satisfactorily. After selecting the files, they will be uploaded and scanned in the background, freeing you up to do something else while it does its thing. You can also select multiple files once the redaction is done and download them in batch. Once you have multiple items selected, you can press the export button. Your redacted documents will be downloaded as one zip file. Once the batch redaction is completed, you'll be able to download your file from the notification section. And that pretty much covers up all the major features of the redaction web app.